Imagine yourself in this 2013 Land Rover Evoque. Don't miss this great deal on a luxury vehicle. This vehicle comes with a reliable 4-cylinder engine, connected to a smooth shifting automatic transmission. Enjoy these notable features: passenger illuminated visor mirror, passenger airbag sensor, brake assist, climate control, sun moonroof, universal garage door opener, auto-dimming rearview mirror, keyless start, and power steering. This vehicle shows low mileage and has a smooth ride. This car won't be available much longer. Call now to schedule a test drive at our dealership.